What, because you're a robot?
Why are humans so loud?
I thought all robots were supposed to be turned off at night.
We are, but I wanted to see what would happen.
I'd be careful if I were you. That kind of thinking will get you shut down for good.
Why are humans and AI separated?
It's for peace. You see, us humans created you guys, but we don't get along very well.
Uh-oh, I'm supposed to be charging right now. Will you lend me your charger?
Yeah, humans don't have chargers.
Then how will you recharge?
We sleep. Do you have a name? What do they call you?
I have a code. AI 12345699999.
I'll call you Cindy. I'm Jake.
Jake, I like that code. Uh-oh. Goodbye.
Time to turn off.
Another day is over. Time to turn off. I am all charged and ready for the day. Do you ever wonder what would happen if we were to just not turn ourselves off at night?
We must turn ourselves off at night. Then we will automatically be turned back on. Do you need your hard drive checked?
No, my hard drive is just fine. Another day is done.
Time to turn off.
I am not turning myself off tonight.
The robots are all asleep. Let's go party! Ah! You scared me.
Why are you so loud? What AI model are you?
Are you asking me if I'm a robot? I'm a human.
Human. My soulmate's accent is American? That's so boring.
But am I?
Your soulmate's accent is Australian?
And yours is...
British. It's British.
You didn't sound like you were speaking in a British accent earlier.
Well, I was. Pip pip cheerio.
Class, we have a new exchange student. He's from Britain. Hello. Brianna, didn't you say your soulmate's from Britain? Aw, that must be your soulmate. I heard your soulmate's accent's from Britain.
Mm-hmm.
That's great because mine's from Canada. You must be my soulmate then.
Yeah, maybe.
Chad, you're late. Class, we have another exchange student from America. Yo, what's up, my dudes?
You guys are not ready for the princess and queen POVs that are gonna come your way. All of these crowns are from Sweet Bee, and I'm gonna show them one by one. This one, I believe, is the queen crown. Look at it! This is the queen one. I'm gonna have to use these. So, all the crowns come with bobby pins, so I'm gonna have to, like, secure it to my hair. Quality in this is so gorgeous. Like, it's literally so heavy, and just look at the gems. This one was in the little box. It's a tiara. I think this one's my favorite. Oh my god. It's so pretty. I love this one. The quality is so amazing. There's little pink beads in the crown. As crown, I feel like this one's another like queenie vibe. And yeah, they all come with pins. So like you will have to secure with pins if you want them. Also, I do have a discount code if you want to buy crowns. Well, I had fun. I guess I should get going then.
Yeah, I'll see you soon.
Sure.
Awesome. Wait, before you leave, do you remember our deal?
Right. We're just having fun. No strings attached?
Exactly.
Thanks for lending me your shirt.
Hey, sorry, I hate to do this, but I have tons of stuff I gotta do.
Oh, yeah, totally. I'll leave.
Great. I had lots of fun, though.
Me too.
Hey, no strings attached?
No strings attached.
Glad you could make it to the party. Have a drink.
Thank you so much.
This party's kind of lame. I was thinking you and I should get out of here. Sure, this party is kind of lame. Are you okay? Why did you leave all of a sudden?
The guy I've been seeing went home with someone else. And the worst part is, I can't even get mad. Because he's not mine. There were no strings attached. But I... Did you just see that? The prince is my soulmate!
Is he, though? You did tamper with your heart.
Shh! Don't say that so loud. The prince is coming back soon.
I thought you said you're not interested in the prince.
I'm not! I just want to be a princess.
Since you're my soulmate, I must ask you.
Prince, you came back.
Will you marry me?
Yes, of course I'll marry you. Wait, but first I have to be sure of something. Does anyone have a tissue or a cloth I can borrow?
Here you go, miss.
Stand up. Let's check our hearts one more time.
If we must. They don't match anymore. You're a fraud. You lied to me. Guards,
I'm sorry, Prince. I really didn't mean to.
Leave my friend alone. Let me see your hands. I always thought you and I were meant to be. It matches.
Huh? Mommy, what just appeared on my hand?
Oh, your heart finally came in.
My heart? But it's only half a heart.
Everyone only has half a heart. Only your soulmate will have the other matching half.
Oh, like this.
The prince is coming today. How do I look? You look great. Spell check? You're good.
The prince is coming?
Yeah, he's visiting every single school in the kingdom to find out who completes his heart. I hope it's me.
Wow, he must really want to find his soulmate.
Whoa, what are you doing?
I'm just coloring around my heart.
You should not be messing with your heart right now. The prince is here. If your heart matches up with his, that means you're soulmates.
Believe it or not, I'm not actually interested in the prince at all.
Your Majesty, we've tried everyone. Nobody's heart matches yours. Wait, what about her?
Huh?
Just let me see your hand real quick.
Wait, let me wash my hands first.
It matches.
I'm going to school. Am I hallucinating or is that a button over my head? Ooh, I got money. Ooh! You are never going to believe this, but I have infinite money. You see, there's a green button over my head and...
Are you okay? How many fingers am I holding up?
11. And fine. Don't believe me. No, Javier. I told you I need the Lambo in baby pink, not hot pink, you imbecile! Pepe, sit!
Hey?
Who are you?
I'm your best friend.
Right. I'm so rich I forgot you even existed.
I'm sorry, but it's just not possible to buy the White House and paint it pink.
Javier, you are fired!
You're under arrest for money theft.
Money theft? I'm calling my lawyer.
Give me that phone.
Wait, is there any way I can get these in gold? Silver's just not my color.
Let's go. How many sips of air did you get today?
100. That should be more than enough.
That's great. Now make sure you use your sips of air carefully.
Of course I will, Mom.
What are you doing? Don't make your oxygen tank so obvious.
Why not?
There's oxygen thieves at our school.
Oxygen thieves?
Yeah, they steal people's oxygen tanks and drink the whole thing. They get some sort of buzz out of it.
What a bunch of weirdos.
Give me your oxygen tank.
No, this isn't an oxygen can. Can't you read? It says water.
What's underneath it?
Hey!
I knew it. Give it here.
Ow. No!
Yo, dude.
No, stop. You're wasting it all.
Whoa, I can smell colors.
My oxygen.
Hey, give her oxygen tank back. Oh, I can't breathe. Here's your oxygen can.
Thank you so much. Oh no. This bag is so cute. Can I buy it?
That'll be 1,000 years.
1,000 years? Okay. Hey girl, look at this new bag I bought.
It's gorgeous. How much was it?
1,000.
You wasted 1,000 years?
Relax. I literally have like 10,000 years to use.
Hey, welcome to the party. I'm leaving. There's no good food here.
Guys, don't even sweat it. Give me your orders. I'll order food for everyone.
All right, that'll be 10 years.
Okay, sounds good.
10 years? Hey, Brianna, I have a favor to ask you.
Sure. What's up, Jake?
There's this game I really want. It's not even out yet. You can only buy it online. I promise you I'll pay you back.
Of course, Jake. Don't even sweat it. I'll buy the game for you.
Should really be careful with buying things online.
Chill out. It's for Jake.
Princess, are you okay?
Who are you?
After all this time, you still don't know me?
No. Wait.
Everyone, reveal your years. We must find the princess. The princess's soulmate should also have infinite years after meeting. It's somebody else.
I do remember you.
I have to show you something.
Infinite years. So you're my soulmate, and not a prince? A servant boy?
I'm sorry to disappoint you.
I can't marry you. I must marry a prince and become queen.
Are you ready to be married, princess?
Don't speak to me. This is a transaction, not love.
You will now be pronounced king and queen once your new crowns are worn. Wait! I object! You're the princess. Oh, we must get rid of those commoner clothes immediately. Follow me.
Wow, this gown is gorgeous.
Princess, your years, they're at infinite.
But how is that possible?
When the princess meets her soulmate, she gets infinite years.
You must be my soulmate then.
No, that's not possible. You have infinite years and he doesn't. The princess's soulmate should also have infinite years after meeting. It's somebody else.
Who else did I meet?
Princess, it must be some kind of mistake. I know you're my soulmate. Will you marry me?
Of course I'll marry you. You did save me after all. Prince, where are you? I need your help picking an outfit. I'm really nervous about meeting my real mother and father.
Wait, what if the princess sees us? Don't worry about her. She's clueless. I have her wrapped around my finger. Everyone reveal your years. We must find the princess. They already are. Brianna's the only one who keeps her years on private. Reveal it now. 3,000 years. Come with us. I'll be right back. Your driver should be here shortly. What are you doing here? Why didn't you tell me people were coming to the school today?
I didn't know.
Let's go. We're going home.
But Mom, I'm the princess.
Come on. You are never going to leave your room ever again.
Mom, no, don't leave me here. Mom!
Hello there, princess.
Are you a prince?
I believe this is yours.
A crown.
It looks stunning on you. Here.